Cancer, all of my emotions are part of my human experience. Let's expound on that. What is in the foundation for Cancer? King of Cups, Cancer, you just showed up to your own reading. Thank you for being here to let me know that you feel this energy. With the King of Cups being in your foundation, doesn't have to be a male or a female. We are reading energies. So this is you being wise, diplomatic, balanced, making head and heart decisions, being the advisor, the communicator, maybe even sometimes the counselor. So you are all in your glory and all in your element with this King of Cups energy. Ace of Cups. So we have the Ace of Cups here because there's a feeling of you blocking some of your emotions, and hence all of my emotions are part of my human experience. There's a blockage here. Perhaps you are not expressing how you truly feel toward the people that you love, or you are just really trying to watch others' feelings, because we know that you are very compassionate in your highest vibration and you really don't want to let anyone down. Cancers can be highly dependable. So, is this in your family life, or is this in love that you are repressing these emotions? Are you feeling like you're just not ready? You're not ready to move on, you're not ready to partake in a loving relationship, or you are not ready to take the next level with someone. We know that Cancers want to know that if they go to the next level with you, that it's a sure thing. They don't really come to play. They really love stability, and a person that can bring them stability can truly change their outlook on love. However, you have to get past that hard shell first. Let's see, Cancer. What is going on in your mind? A lot. Queen of Swords. With this Queen of Swords energy, I feel like you tend to overthink things. You want to be honest with yourself, but you also talk yourself out of a lot. So you're trying to be objective and get a different perspective, but the more you play it over and over in your mind, you just end up saying, you know what, forget about it. So why are you holding back, Cancer? Why are you not letting a love in that could really benefit you and satisfy you? Now, we know when you love with every portion of your body. You know, you want your partner fed, you want to make sure that they are okay, and you want to be around your partner. You are a very loving sign in your highest vibration. You are not the type of person that is fair weather. Like, you will stick by your partner through thick and thin, and you have a tendency to just long for your partner. Like, it's almost like you want to wear their skin. So let me see what is in the energy of your past. What has brought you here, Cancer? Five of Cups, a heartbreak. You giving your all to someone and being highly disappointed has brought you to this energy of feeling like you have to repress your feelings for love. So this Five of Cups is telling me that there's been some disappointment, some sadness, some mourning over the loss of a love or the loss of what you thought was love. So this makes it really difficult for you to just trust anybody or even go out on dates and get to know people. It's like even hard for you to allow people to get to know you. Let me see. Nine of Swords in reverse is here. So this is you recovering, learning to cope. This is you finding help and not feeling ashamed of how you feel. Like letting go of guilt and letting go of any type of depression or anxiety that you have in regards to love. It says all of my emotions are part of my human experience. So you go through these emotions, but you don't have to hold on to them. You can look forward to something new and better. There these experiences that you have gone through are learning experiences. It's not experiences that you hold on to and they block you from the next experience that could be the best experience you ever had. So the Seven of Wands here, it did come out in reverse, but it tells me that you tend to give up too early if you feel defeated and you're holding yourself back, like you are unable to surrender. But again, all of my emotions are part of my human experience. So it is better to love than not have loved at all. This is how you find the person that you were meant to be with. But if you continue to hold yourself back from love and not wanting to date or get to know people, you'll never find that true love that you want, because that true love is out there. Let's get an energy of how this true love is going to show up to you. When you stop doubting yourself, Cancer, when you stop judging yourself, being overprotective of yourself, two major arcana cards, you can't even make this up. When you decide that it's time for a new beginning, it's time to let go and release the past and step into the future. Every ending has a new beginning. So are you ready, Cancer? That's what I have for you.